everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. And I also list the recipes in the description box, so if you're not following WW, you can get any of the nutritional facts you need from the recipe. So I'm going to start off first with the grocery haul this week. This week I did Walmart grocery pickup and Publix Instacart delivery. So let me start down here with Walmart first so I can get this off the table. I got these garbage disposer cleaners. These actually work really good. I've used these a couple times and they work really good. So let me get these off my table. Alright, so 0 points. I got onions, celery, blueberries, green beans, cucumbers, little mini cucumbers, broccoli, and spinach, and I think that's it. That's all I got for fruits and vegetables from Walmart, besides the potatoes, which potatoes are not 0, except if you're on purple they are. If you're on blue and green, for russet potatoes you can have 3 ounces of uncooked for 2 points, or 5 ounces for 3 points. I usually have a 5-ounce portion when I have mine. And then I got just a can of canned mushrooms. I don't even remember what I got that for. I got some canned potatoes. These are just the sliced canned potatoes. These are 0 on purple, and for blue and green, they're 2 points for 2/3 of a cup. I also got some Velveeta slices. These are 1 point for 1 slice, or 3 points for 2 slices. I got some turkey kielbasa, and these are 1 point for 1 ounce, or 3 points for 2 ounces. And if I'm not giving different points for things, that's because it's the same points on all programs. I got some low sodium ham. This is 0 points for 1 slice, or 1 point for 3 slices. Some Paleo part skim mozzarella. This is 2 points for 1 ounce. Some of the 1/3 less fat cream cheese, 1 tablespoon is 2 points. Also got some Sargento Ultra Thin Swiss. This is 1 point for 1 slice, or you can have 2 slices for 3 points. And then I needed some sweetener. I actually ordered the 200 count, but they didn't have it, so they gave you 4 boxes of the 50, so that's why I have that many. I use 2 of those in each of my cups of coffee. I got some of our creamer that we like. This is the Coffee Mate Sugar-Free French Vanilla. For this kind, you can have 49 milliliters for 1 point, or 82 milliliters for 2 points. So what I usually do is I always have 2 cups of coffee in the morning, so I usually split it and I have like 40, I try and aim for about 40 milliliters per cup. And then they didn't have our normal snack pack pudding, so I got these Jello brand sugar-free. I actually prefer the snack pack because to us it doesn't really leave that aftertaste. To us, the Jello brand kind of leaves a little bit of the aftertaste from the artificial sweetener. Those are 2 points per cup. I went ahead and picked up another thing of our favorite syrup just because they had it, and I know at one point they were out, so I went ahead and got some more of this. This is, you can have 1/4 of a cup for 0 points. And then I got some Miracle Whip, which I only like this in my Big Mac sauce. I don't like Miracle Whip on anything else. The only thing I like it in is Big Mac sauce. This is 1 point for 2 tablespoons. Also got some pretzel crisps. I'm going to try and have those for snack this week. I'll portion them out, and I'll have those with Laughing Cow cheese, which I got. So the pretzel crisps are, you can have 29 grams for 3 points. It's actually 1 ounce, which is 28 grams, or 11 crackers, but when you toggle it, you can actually have 29 grams for the same points. Not much of a difference, but a little bit. And then I'll move on to the Laughing Cow cheese since I talked about it. This is 1 point for 1 wedge. This used to be, for 2 wedges, used to be 3 points, but I've scanned it again and it's coming up to 2 points for 2 wedges. So something changed on that one. And then I got a couple things of ground turkey breast. This is 0 points on blue and purple, and 3 points for 4 ounces on green. And I got some sugar-free Smucker's strawberry jam. This you can have 1.5 tablespoons for 0 points, or you can have up to 5 tablespoons for 1 point. Once it changes to 5 tablespoons, then it becomes 2. Also got some Lily's butterscotch flavor baking chips that I am hoping to use in a recipe maybe next week. I was hoping I could get it in this week's meal plan, but it didn't work out. So I'm hoping maybe next week. And these, you can have 16 chips for 1 point. And then I got some more of our favorite rice. This is garden vegetable, half a cup for 3 points. And our bread that we like, this is the Nature's Own Sugar-Free Life. I have not been to Aldi. Our Aldi was closed. It just reopened, so I'll probably be going to Aldi next week. So I'm going to try and find that other bread at Aldi. So this bread is 1 point for 1 slice or 2 points for 2 slices. And I'm sorry if you can hear any background noise today. It is the first day I've been able to open my windows. We finally had a little bit of a cold front come through here in Florida, so our windows have been open all day. All right, and I believe that's it for Walmart. So now moving on to the little tiny Publix haul that I got. And again, like I said, I did Instacart delivery. I got some of the Trop 50 orange juice. Those are 3 points for a cup, or you can have a half a cup for 1 point. I needed some more ground cinnamon, so I got some more of that. I got a Bosque pear. Some of the Ray's no sugar added hickory barbecue sauce. This is 0 points for 2 tablespoons. They had the Light and Fit Dannon Greek yogurt on BOGO this week. So I got that. That's 2 points for each cup. And got some Kodiak cakes. This is 5 points for half a cup dry. I got some salmon. Usually I've been getting the salmon that doesn't have the skin on, but this time I got the skin on because it was on sale. This is 0 points on blue and purple. And on green, because it's farm salmon, it's 6 points for 4 ounces. Also got some reduced fat Swiss cheese. I did get the Swiss cheese from Walmart, but that I'll use kind of like for sandwiches later in the week. This kind I'm using for a recipe for dinner one night. And then I needed some thyme, so I got some of that. And I think that is it. I think I covered everything. So the total I spent this week at Publix was $46 and at Walmart was $117. So now I'll show you what I'm planning on doing for a meal plan this week. All right, this is my meal plan this week. I'm using my other meal plan. So I have a couple of them. I can't decide which one I like better. So this is the other one that I was using. So these meal plans I have on my website. You're welcome to go on my website and print them out. They are free. There's no cost. They're just ones that I made and put together and put on there. So this one just has Monday through Friday. So let me try and turn my book here. This one just has Monday through Friday on it. So the weekends I don't normally plan ahead of time because we just never know really what we're going to be doing or what we're planning on. So usually on the weekends we decide, like right now it's Friday night and I don't know what we're going to be doing this weekend yet. We'll decide tomorrow what we're going to do Saturday and Sunday. So this is what I have planned this week. For breakfast prep, I'm planning on doing peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. A new one. I'm just going to use my peanut butter chocolate chip overnight oats recipe, and instead of the chocolate chips I'm going to do the sugar-free jelly that I bought. So I think those are going to be good, and those are going to come out to, I believe, 6 points on blue and green, 3 points on purple. And then every morning I have 2 cups of coffee. So that will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday for breakfast, I'm going to do Fiber One cereal for 2 points, unsweetened almond milk for 0, and fruit for 0. And then Friday, I'm probably just going to make a bechaffel, which is basically just the bacon, egg, and cheese on the Dash Mini waffle maker. That is 1 point on blue and purple and 3 points on green. And then for lunches this week, I'm going to do Big Mac meatballs. So that's why I needed to buy the Miracle Whip, because I'm going to just do like meatballs. I'm probably going to do turkey meatballs. So I'm going to do turkey meatballs that I'm going to make out of the turkey breast, and then I'll do Big Mac sauce to dip them in, and then we'll have a side salad with that. I don't have that recipe completed yet because I'm not really sure exactly how I'm going to do the meatballs, but I'm estimating that's going to be about a 6 point lunch. Actually, I don't even think that's going to be 6 points. You know what? I'm using the ground turkey breast, so it's probably not going to be 6 points. For green, it'll probably be 6, but blue and purple, it's probably going to be lower. So I will know what the points is going to be on that when I actually do the meal prep. That's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, I'll probably do a turkey and cheese wrap for 3 points. Just use the Olay Extreme Wellness wraps and some turkey and cheese. And then Friday, I'll do probably just a tuna sandwich, and that is 3 points. For dinners this week, Monday night is salmon night. We're up to the basil parm salmon. That is 2 points on blue and purple and 7 to 10 points on green. It just depends on how much salmon you have and whether you're using farmed or wild. So for the topping, it's 2 points. So it'd be 2 points plus whatever your salmon is. And then we do that with the 90-second rice, which is 3 points. If you use brown rice on purple, then your rice would be 0. And then we'll have broccoli for 0. Tuesday night, I'm going to do ranch pork chops with roasted pears and green beans. Sounds so weird for a combination, but it is so good. That's 8 points on all programs. I feel like I had this recently because I didn't think I did, but then as I was writing it down, it seemed like I remember writing it down recently. So if I did, that's fine. I actually really love that one. Wednesday night is a new one. This one my friend Deb sent me, or my soul sister Deb, sent me a recipe. She made Hungry Girl chicken cordon bleu casserole, and she sent me a picture of it, and it looked so good. So I'm going to try and make that. That's going to be 6 points on blue and purple and 8 points on green. Thursday night, we're going to do breakfast for dinner. It's going to be chicken sausage breakfast bowls, but I think instead of the chicken sausage, I'm going to do the turkey kielbasa that I bought. So that's usually 4 points on blue, 1 point on purple, and green I didn't write down. I think green is 8 because it's an extra 4 points for the 2 eggs. I'm not sure if that's going to change using turkey kielbasa because it'll probably really depend on how much we put in it. Usually for dinner, we do have a higher point dinner than we do for breakfast, so I may add a little bit more come Thursday night compared to what I would normally do for breakfast. And Friday, I think we're going to do either strombolis or homemade pizzas. The strombolis are 8 points on blue and purple and 9 points on green. If we do homemade pizzas, it just really depends on how we make them. Just depends that night. We make them different every week, so not really sure exactly the points on that. For snacks this week, I will do my pudding cups for 2, fruit for 0, and my pretzel crisps with Laughing Cow cheese. So that will be a 4-point snack, and that will be the whole week. So that is my plan for the week. And then just to show you how I plan this, because a lot of people ask me about this. So this is what I do. I put my meal plan over here. So it's either that one or, like I showed you, this one here. So I have the meal plan here, and then I just move these all around. So these are usually in the beginning of the book, and then whatever I'm having that week, I move it to after the meal plan. So I have the meal plan, then I have breakfast, then I have my lunch, then I have my dinners, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night. So I just print out the recipes from whatever website they're on and put them right in here. And that is, it makes it convenient. Then that way, when I go to make my dinner, I'll do my dinner kits, pull them out, and then I have my recipes all together right there for the week. So that's it for my meal plan and grocery haul this week. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm Planning Us Healthy.